Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a never-ending card. First, gather your materials. You will need 4 square pieces of cardstock, each measuring 4 by 4 inches. Also, have a ruler, a craft knife, and a cutting mat ready. Don't forget your adhesive, like double-sided tape, and any decorations you wish to use. This project is fun and creates a truly unique, interactive card for any occasion. Now, let's prepare your cardstock. Take 2 of your 4 by 4 inch squares. Score each square at 1 inch and 2 inches from all 4 edges. Next, carefully cut along the score lines on the 2 outer sections of each square, leaving the middle section intact. Repeat this exact process for the other 2 cardstock pieces. These precise cuts are crucial for the card's unique folding mechanism. With your pieces prepared, it's time to assemble the core. Take 2 of your cut cardstock squares and place them side by side, making sure the cut sections are facing each other. Apply a thin line of adhesive, like double-sided tape, to the 1-inch flaps of one square. Carefully attach the corresponding flaps of the second square to form a connected base. Repeat this exact process with your remaining 2 cut cardstock pieces. For the final assembly, place one of your connected card bases directly on top of the other, carefully aligning the central 2 by 2 inch squares. Apply adhesive to the central square of the top base. Gently press the 2 bases together, ensuring a strong and secure bond. Now, your never-ending card is ready for personalization. Add photos, heartfelt messages, or any embellishments to make it truly special.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.